Chili's vlog. Chili's vlog.
Take it to the left. Kick it.
Slide. Hold on. Testing. Probably really weird. Boy, bye.
That's what was playing in the background.
Good. As it should. Boy, bye. Bye, bye. By Ariana Grande? Yeah. Okay, thank God. I didn't even know you knew that song. A little. I'm gonna edit in the slurping sound.
Oh, don't spit it out. Swallow.
I just really. Okay. I don't know about. I just realized. Oh, we're getting dirty looks for that. But I just realized when they bring the. She just shook her head. I just realized when they bring the food, they're gonna see the head. The woman behind you. Probably.
Because last time I vlogged in here, some stupid idiot looked at me like I was fucking crazy. And they were walking past, so I went, we're at a bar.
Good.
I went, oh, it was more of a growl.
Did they see and hear you?
I hope.
Where's our appetizer?
I'm about to gobble something.
Huh?
I'm about to gobble that nest.
Mama, me too. Mama. What do they call Texas cheese fries?
Yeah.
Mama, a Texas cheese fries behind you. Imagine
The one I sent you, it was Khaled. Location behind
No,
you.
not yet, but that's good. That's good. But what? That's so random. Where'd that come from? Was it a video of Khalid? Oh, he did it? Oh.
Do you know the one where it's like, Mama not mad at you?
Mama not mad at you. Yeah.
I think about that once a day.
That's a good one. Mama not mad at you. Mama not mad at you, baby. Can't do this for too long because my phone storage is like really bad. Really bad.
Really bad.
She's such a drink gobbler. Gurgler. Gobbler. Mama not mad at you, baby. Mama not mad at you, baby. I see you on my lap, girl. Driving comfortable. I know what them girls they want. London to Taiwan. Boom. Your booty don't need a. What's the.
Explain
Who's
it.
your booty? But your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand
I don't know.
when you.
I was already too late.
Hey, don't hurt him. Mama not mad at you, baby.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Because she did the one thing.
Get a hot like you pretend to love his mother, crying out your friends about us. Have you ever tried this one? Oh my God, how are you at 83? Oh my God. Santa Monica, you've been too good to me. Won't make my mama cry. It's gonna cause a scene. She's like, oh, that's crazy. God, what have you done? It's literally only us playing music. If you can't tell, we had Feminine Phenomenon, then Juno, and is it towards you or towards me? Okay, then Juno, then we have Big Party Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Big Party Club. I'm the fool. I'm telling you, angel through the car sunroof. I don't wanna call it love. I call baby, it's a hydrant poison. Good luck, babe. Good luck, babe. She didn't know what was coming. What's coming? You don't know what's coming.
Middle of the night.
Oh, I thought you were in the middle of the night. Or that other song. Man, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
I told you so. You know I hate to say it.
I told you so. Watch this. Beep, 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 my going. I'm moving as well. You take off your pants. Let's go. Beep, 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 my BFF. Because I think. Get the legs. Because he said, did they play it already? When we queued up beep, 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 my BFF. Because DK was coming from Shake It Up. It is not playing that. It's still playing Go DJ. But trust, she's already caught up to me. Oh. I done broke it. I don't know what they're doing, but I am wiping the floor with her right now. I don't want to have to call her. Oh. Oh.
Oh, what if I can't hear them?
It's gone.
So like, she did her 2 turns, but it's saying it's still her turn, and the ball didn't come back.
Your ball to come back, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
I didn't take my 2 turns yet. Oh, just I'm not mad at you, baby. Currently still. I was gonna say currently still wiping the floor. Huh? Good? Good? What does that mean?
Crumble, crumble, crumble.
Bacon, bacon.
No, the crumble cookie thing. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Guppy, guppy, guppies.
Crumble cookie. Yeah.
Bubble, bubble, bubble. Guppy, guppy, guppies. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Guppy, guppy, guppies. Oh my god. I'm not getting cocky, but I do need a strike. I do. Well, I messed up. I'm at 73, she's at 72. So I need to stay ahead. I will update you. I feel weird talking to myself to my phone in the back. No one can really hear what I'm saying. I don't even know if you guys can hear what I'm saying. Hopefully I win. We'll update. Mommy not mad at Beep, 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 my BFF. Oh. Make a big deal, act like it's a new trend. Here, try on these boots. He's sweet. She's got a best friend. Oh, come on, I need her to miss. I need her to miss. BFF, cause I didn't say what's good with that. XOX.
I don't know the lyrics to Teaching by Like. Yes,
Even if I make a strike, I can
because I'm a winner.
I hope she can smoke because apparently we get 3 tries. Oh my god. Oh no. Mama's mad at you, baby. So do you get to go again or?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can't hear this.
Is it?
Yeah.
I can't hear it. Whore. I just said whore. Me, I forgive and I forget. I know my age and I act like it got what you can't resist. I'm a perfect American. Okay, music video. No music for my hair.
God class and integrity is like the goddamn
Kennedy, I swear. Love to spare. Forgive and I forget. I know my age and I act like I swear to God, there's no way I can catch up. There's actually American, perfect all Americans. It was zoomed in.
eternal optimist. I scream inside to deal with it. She's screaming. I'm sexy and I'm kind. I'm pretty and I cry. See it in your shadow. I wanna ride in your
Could you say it for
I don't know, let me.
You know.
Back there. Sorry, you probably cannot see me just smack that.
My ball's just stuck and it just keeps rolling. Okay, thank you.
I could do a little like this right now.
My ball is stuck. Huh? I'm gonna put in the sneaker squeaking. Bye. Okay, my love. But we queued up girls by the Kilroy. Mommy not mad at you. Back till they get the job done. Girls just wanna dance. I wasn't even recording. I don't know the last thing I got. I don't know you
some. Girls want supper with their friends, wanna get to the eggs and they get the chop.
Done.
Girls just wanna dance.
Girls just want to have fun. Why do you laugh when I say that?
I don't know your plans. I just wanna get some. Girls want supper with their friends,
Want to do it to their ex and
they get the job.
done.
Girls just wanna dance.
I said
Girls just wanna
fun.
do what you want.
We can't get copyrighted from this, can we? Okay.
Give you the
Night that you want. Hit it in the morning. We'll hit it how you want it.
Girls just wanna dance.
Girls just want to have fun.
I don't know. I just wanna
Get some. Girls want to
with the friends
do it to their ex
and they get the job done. Girls just wanna dance.
I said
Girls just wanna
fun. Fun. You are here we go. Yeah. Side by side, I'm hitting it in the morning. Side by side, you can get it how you want it. That's just what it is. I'm fun. Fun. That's an action. It's like very ominous. We're the only ones.
It's like Slime's coughing back.
I know. I wake up, I work out, I get here, I drink sweet tea, and I say, go. So I guess I'm gonna do this so I don't get copyrighted, but Ceilings by Lizzie McAlpine is playing right now, and it's raining, and it's just very cinematic, and we were just feeling, I don't know, sentimental, and feeling just girlhood. I want it on the... I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Let's try this. Can you hear it? Raining hard and I'm full of water. Lovely to be rained on with you. You're kinda cute, but it's like so you. I gotta be. What if someone steals your car? We're not gonna think about it. Kiss me in the car, and it feels like you're a movie I've seen before. Red sheets, no, touch me like nobody else. People probably think we're gone. We're completely sober. Kinda cute, but it would say all of this, but I don't want to ruin your moment. Love is between comfort and chaos. Here we go. I don't care. What if we start? You drive me home! You kiss me in the car. Get ready to start running. We cannot live. And you don't exist. We cannot leave your car running down that. Feels like the sky of a movie I see. And then lay on the ground. I'm not. I was about to say.
There's oil.
Nasty. Imagine I wasn't recording. Oof, okay, this one's a doozy. Okay, this is Teenage Dream by Miss Olivia Rodrigo. And let me give you the little backstory because this clip's kind of long. And then I'll start singing. But the backstory is we saw her live in concert at the Good Store back in March, and it was the week before my 20th birthday. And I mean, you guys know this song and the like montage of her like younger self she had playing in the background while she was singing this, and I was just distraught during this song, as we all are. So just a little, so just you just watch. I did, but I fear that they already got all the best parts of me. And I'm sorry that I couldn't always be your teenage dream. When this wide-eyed affection and all good intentions start to not be enough, what are we doing? What are we doing? I kind of lost where I was. But, oh, bro had to take a walk. Oh, there I go. Oh my god. Okay. And guys, I actually do cuss a little. No, I kind of sing a little bit. I promise. I know it doesn't sound like it now, but I like post a little bit. I post singing on my TikTok, singing TikToks. So if you're interested in that, you want to see that, it's montana.com. Montana, DOTCOM. It'll also be in the description. Shameless plug, or whatever the youngins are saying these days. Sorry that I couldn't always be your teenage dream. They'll say it gets better the more you grow. I always go insane during this part. I can't help it. Like, it's so good. Update. Back at the crib.
We're gonna go on Omegle.
About to go on Omegle. And baking cookies. Hopefully I don't drop my phone in the oven. And Bean! Come here! Aww. Omegle time. Oh, the thing was high. Oh, don't worry. Mama, not mad at you, baby.